fake. I will show the world. I am real, not a generated result by Seedance 2. Stop it! What are you doing? Are you out of your mind? You're a YouTuber. This is not you. It's all in your head. It's all fake. Wake up! What are you talking about? It's all in your head, kid. None of this is real. No, I am a warrior. I was born to fight. You know what? He was right. I am a YouTuber.
Well, turns out I'm not a warrior after all, but here's the good news. I'm a YouTuber, and today I'm going to show you how you can literally go crazy with Seedance 2. With Seedance 2, creating high-end VFX is no longer complicated. It's fast, it's powerful, and it can take your content to the next level. Now here's the thing, one of my favorite content creation tools, Higgsfield AI, has officially made Seedance 2 available for everyone. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to create insane content like this that has the potential to go absolutely viral. So without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into it. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll land on this interface. Now as you can see, they're currently running some offers where you can get 7 days of unlimited access of Seedance 2 if you go for the Ultra plan. Definitely worth checking out if you're serious about creating content. Alright, now let's actually create something. So what you want to do is click on this Seedance 2 option right here, and it'll take you to the main generation interface. Now here's where the magic happens. As you can see, these are some of the generations I've already created. From here, you can upload your assets. You can upload up to 9 images, 3 videos, and even audio files, which is honestly insane. And the best part, it actually works really well. You also get these built-in presets, which I personally used to create some of the clips you saw at the beginning of this video, and they're seriously powerful. So first, let's start by generating some videos using these presets. So first, let's pick a preset. As you can see, there are tons of presets available here, and the best part is they keep adding more presets and the styles regularly, which makes this even more powerful over time. All right, let's choose one. I'm going with this one. It looks absolutely amazing. Now the next step is to upload your character image. You can literally upload any character image you want, which gives you a lot of creative freedom. But here's something really important, and honestly one of my favorite features. Once you upload an image, you'll see an option called check eligibility. Now as powerful as Seedance 2 is, it can still be a bit restrictive sometimes. So instead of wasting your time, and more importantly your credits, you can simply click on check eligibility to make sure your image will actually work. And the best part, whenever you upload a new image, it automatically checks this for you. As you can see here, all of these are marked as eligible, which means we're good to go, no issues at all. So for the face, I use this image right here, which is me. After that, all you need to do is select your aspect ratio, and that's it. No complicated settings, no need to write long prompts, no confusion, super simple. And just like that, this is the result it generated. This is absolutely stunning, right? I mean, it genuinely amazes me how well Seedance 2 works. It literally understands everything. The way he gets pulled into the monitor, the struggle, the intensity, the motion, everything is just perfectly on point. And the sound effects, they make it feel even more real. Honestly, this is the best you can get right now. And trust me, you won't truly understand how powerful this is until you try it yourself. All right, let's try one more preset. This time, let's go with this one. I'll use the same face again, and now just hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, I genuinely have nothing to say. This is beyond amazing. The quality, the physics, the detailing, everything is just perfect. I honestly don't know what they did or how they pulled this off, but I'm seriously impressed. They've absolutely nailed it. The background music, the sound effects, everything fits perfectly. And just look at the VFX it generated. No one would have imagined this was possible just by writing a simple prompt, but now it is. And the face consistency, that's on a whole different level. It literally transformed me into a warrior, just like that. And to be very honest, VO really need to step up their game if they want to compete at this level, because right now, Seedance 2 is the king. Here's another example. Too good, right? And the best part about using these presets is they don't generate the same result every single time. Each output is slightly different, which is actually a huge advantage, because imagine if everyone was getting the exact same result, that would just kill creativity. But here, every generation feels unique, fresh, and original. And now, let me show you exactly how I created the video you saw at the beginning. It's very, very simple. So first, what you need to do is upload your assets. In my case, I uploaded my character image, this one right here. Next comes the prompt. This is the exact prompt I used. Now here's something important. With Seedance 2, writing short or vague prompts won't give you the best results. You need to be a bit more descriptive if you want high quality outputs. So what I did was, I took help from ChatGPT to refine my prompt, and you can do the same. It makes a huge difference. After that, you can choose the duration. It supports up to 15 seconds, so set it according to your needs. Then select your aspect ratio, and finally, just hit generate, and this is the output.
Fake. I will show the world. I am real, not a generated result by Seedance 2.
This is really, really good. The way the bag reacts to his punches, the way he's breathing, panting, and speaking in anger, it all feels incredibly realistic. Now, I'll be honest, the voice isn't perfectly natural yet, but we're definitely getting there. Even then, the overall result is seriously impressive. And here's something I really love. As you can see, just based on the prompt, it was able to automatically add cutscenes. And that's a huge deal, because those cinematic cuts make the entire video feel more dynamic, more engaging, and way more professional. Now for the next scene, let me show you exactly how I created it. The process is actually very simple. First, I uploaded my assets again. I added the character image, which is extremely important if you want to maintain strong character consistency throughout your video. Then I uploaded the initial video that I wanted to extend. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. What I did was very straightforward. I simply asked it to extend the video. You can reference your images and videos using the @ symbol, so I tagged all my assets properly and then described exactly what I wanted to happen in the next scene. And that was it. I hit generate, and this was the output.
Stop it! What are you doing? Are you out of your mind? You're a YouTuber. This is not you. It's all in your head. It's all fake. Wake up!
If you look closely, it perfectly maintains everything, the cinematic tone, the voice, even the environment. It doesn't feel like a separate clip at all. It feels like a natural continuation. And this right here is easily my favorite feature, video extension, because with this, you can take a single clip and keep extending it into a full sequence exactly the way you imagine it. You don't have to worry about planning every shot or transition. You just upload your base clip, describe your vision, and it builds the next scene for you. I followed the same approach for the next sequence as well. This time, I uploaded the character image again, added the scene I wanted to extend, and also included a screenshot of the first frame from this scene to create a better transition. Then I tagged everything properly and clearly described what I wanted to happen, including how the transition should feel. I hit generate, and this is the result.
What are you talking about? It's all in your head, kid. None of this is real. No, I am a warrior. I was born to fight.
As you can see, it followed the prompt and created the transition. It's not perfectly smooth yet, and I could have regenerated it a few more times to refine it further, but I just wanted to show you what is already possible right now. And honestly, this is powerful. I'll definitely refine this more and turn it into a full short film. So make sure you subscribe if you want more tutorials and in-depth breakdowns like this. Once all the clips were ready, I simply imported everything into CapCut, did some basic editing, added filters, adjusted the footage, and the video was ready. Simple as that. So there you have it. Higgsfield Seedance in action. What are you waiting for? Go try it out right now and start creating amazing content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.